Okay. Now run again. There is also one another.
Yes, sir.
Let's read out the message. A parse error, syntax error, unexpected, else if in the line number 27. Let's go to our file. Where is the line number 27? Else if is unexpected. Yeah, there's a semicolon. You can't use the semicolon. Yeah, that semicolon. Where is
Yes.
cursor? Is the your cursor? No. The
Yeah.
cursor. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You
Yeah.
have to remove this semicolon because after the else if, you don't have to use the semicolon. You have to remove the semicolon also after the if.
Only after if we
Yeah,
don't use
nahi,
else if or
both else if don't use the semicolon. You have to remove above semicolon also of if
this one.
condition. Yeah, this one means after the if, else if, while, do while, for each, you don't need to use semicolon because these are the special things. Means these are the conditions, these are the loops. So you don't have to write the semicolon. You have to write the semicolon after the ending of the syntax, or if you use any function, then you have to write the semicolon. Okay, save it and run it again. Just save it. You can use the control plus S also. Hold down the control. Yeah, there is another unexpected else on line number 23. Sorry, 331. Just
Yeah.
go to your file. Where is the 31? Yeah, here is the 31. You didn't close. le- just see the code. You didn't close
Yeah.
the curly brackets. Yeah, just close it now. Just save again. Yeah, and run again. Just run to browser. Yeah, A is the largest. Now we get the output. Just give me
Yes.
file. Yeah. Is the A is the largest? Yes, A is the largest. So we are getting the correct output. What we did in the conditions, let's see. We just use in if condition. We are using two condition. Means just listen. What is the logic behind it? If we just want to know the largest number between three numbers, so it means if two numbers are small than any other third number, then our third number will be automatically largest. Is that so or not? If the two
Yes.
numbers are smaller than, means if the a and sorry, b and c is smaller than a, then we can say the a is the largest because b and c, all of two are the same, are the small compared to a. Did you get the logic? Means if b and c is less than a, then a will automatically become a largest number. Is that so or not?
Yes.
Yeah, same condition. If b is if okay, if a and c is smallest, or okay, we just use the reverse one. Just forget that. We use the greater than symbol. We use the greater than symbol means we are checking the value of a is greater than b and c also. If the a is greater than b and c, that means a is the largest. Means if a is greater than b and c, then a will automatically largest. And same, if we are checking the b is greater than a and c, then automatically our b is largest. We didn't check the third condition. Means if the first condition, second condition is false, means a is not largest, b is not largest, so c is automatically largest. We don't need to check the third condition. So this is our logic. So That logic just be implemented in our coding. What we just code in if condition. Are you there, Khushi?
Yeah.
Yeah, in if condition, we just check is the a greater. Yeah, this is the operator greater than. Is just check the left hand side variable is greater than or not from the left right hand side variable. Means a is greater than or b not. A is greater than b or not. If it is true, then it is written true. And we use the and symbol between two conditions. Means if the both of the conditions are true, then only this if will executes. You got the logic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Means we are just checking is A is greater than B and the A is greater than C. Then executes A is the largest. In the else if, we are just checking B is greater than A and C or not. If it's true, then execute the part of else if. Otherwise, just else part will be executed. It will just print C is the largest. Did you
Yeah.
get the point, Khushi?
Yeah. So I did right. Just it
Yeah,
was
yeah. You
wrong.
almost 90% did right.
Yeah.
90% because you just use the semicolons and the equals to symbol. Okay,
Yeah.
Khushi?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm just taking the control back and I'm explaining you the two other tasks. Okay, Khushi?
Yeah.
You have done, but you echo 5 if no, no, you didn't use correctly if condition, but you have to write if condition within the loop. One second, Kusi, I'll explain you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Kusi, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just read out what is the task. Use if condition within the for loop to increase one iteration of loop. Okay, okay, okay. We will discuss this third one after this. Okay, because this is the simple
Yeah.
one compared to the third one. Okay, so we first
Okay.
discuss about the fourth task. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Create an indexed array type of variable and print the value of values by for each loop. Means we just we discuss about the for each loop in the last session. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
Kushi?
Yeah.
Yeah, means we have this array type of variable, but what my requirement is in place of 70, I want to print 100, just nothing else. Let's see. I just comment this. Yeah, yeah, here you didn't use the for each loop, Kushi. You just print that, and you
Oh.
didn't print correctly. Also, let me run. What will the output? Let's see. There is an error because you can't print like that. You just have to print only $a. If you directly print, then it will give you the what you give the values of a, but all the values at once. I just write in the task that you have to create an indexed array, okay, and the print the values by for each loop. Means I need a loop to printing the values. Okay, Khushi?
Yeah.
Yeah. May I remove that printer? Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm just creating a for each loop. This is my for each loop. One second, I just simplify this for each loop. A variable name. I have to use here a array type variable. So I just use a dollar a or array type variable. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have created array. Yes. This is okay. This is right. That is the way we are creating a index array. Okay. I just use for each loop for printing the value. How we print? We just print. One second. Yeah. Just if you want to print, just echo dollar value. Value. What is the value? This variable is value means I already told you this loop will take all the elements, all the values one by one of our array and assign it to the right hand side variable. Whatever be the value variable, you can use any name. Any name means you can use only v also, where also. You can use any name. I just use v and just print v. Is that clear, Khushi?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's echo a br tag for proper display, nothing else. A br. Okay. Now let's see the output. A 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This is our output. I just use the br tag. It is coming with comma. Then coding, no, no coding. One second, Kushi. I use br tags. It has to print the break line. Go. Here's another br tag. If I use in single quotes, yeah, why it is coming with comma separate? It's coming with comma separated. Means the array. Oh, Kushi, you didn't create array correctly. You don't have to use the double quotes. You get the point? Means
Yeah.
if you use double quotes, then it will treat it all this is the string means only one value is there. This is string.
Uh-huh.
If you want to assign integers, you don't have to use the brackets or sorry the quotes, a single or double, any quote. If you want to assign any string value, then you can use a single quote for that value only, and you have to use comma after that. Means you have to close the single quote and write a comma. Okay, Kushi?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you can use any other
So
value.
we have to echo like break 2 times.
No, no,
We
no,
have to
no.
write echo break.
No, no, it is just not giving the output as per my requirement. That's why I just echo 2 times. BR tag. BR just BR are nothing. Just breaks the line. Means it just print a next line. Or we use this enter. Means yeah this is the working of BR. Nothing else. Means for every iteration BR just print this. Do you get the point? What is the BR?
Yeah.
BR means break the line. Means first it print the first value and break the line. Means it's in our what you say in our screen in the first thing. It just print 10 and break the line. In the second iteration, it just print 20, and because of the BR, eco BR, it break the line. 30, break the line. So this will be our output. Okay, Khushi?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see the output. Yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So this is the simple for each loop. We already discussed about this for each loop yesterday's session.
Yeah.
Is that Khushi? Is that do you remember? Sorry, do you get the point or not?
Yeah.
Is there any confusion?
No.
No. This as is a
And how?
predefined keyword. Do you remember that? We already discussed for each. This is predefined keyword. This is our for each loop. You ask me?
Yeah. How we can break? Like how we can write 100 instead of 70?
Yeah. My requirement. Yeah. Come to the point. My requirement is if I want to print 100 in place of 70 means we are getting the 70. 70 means yeah,
Mm-hmm.
there. I was just want to print 100. So let's create the logic first. As per the requirement, I want to print 100 in place of 70. So if anyhow I just add the value 30 into 70, whenever the value whenever we get the 70, we just want to add it, and after adding we want to print it. This is the logic, a oral logic. Means whenever we get the 70, before printing we just have to add the 30, add 30 to 70. Means 30 plus 70 is equals to 100. A simple thing. Is that so?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a oral logic. Means whenever we get the 70, how we get 70? Let's see the coding. Why the why the printing? Because of this echo. Every value is printing because of this echo. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's see. Means because of this echo, what we are echoing? We are echoing dollar $v. Means in every iteration our dollar $v have the value of our array. Okay. Now if I use if condition and the dollar $v is equals to, means when we want to print 100 in place of 70, means when we want to print 100 in place of 70, when the value of v is equals to 70, we just check that condition. So our controls go to this if loop only when the value of v is equals to 70. Okay. Now we just add this dollar $v is equals to dollar $v plus 30. Now, now let's see the output. 100. Kusi, just understand that code. We just take the 5-minute break because we don't have the headphone today and there is some noise around us. So we just take the 5-minute break. Okay, you just understand that code. I'll explain you once again. Okay, Kushi?
Okay.
Okay.